Well, hi there. Welcome to my channel. This is Janice, and I am doing an Allure unboxing today. I really like Allure. It comes once a month. It's a beauty box subscription full of wonderful beauty products. If you'd like to see what I got this month in my Allure Beauty Box of August 2019, please stay tuned. Well, thank you for staying. The Allure box I received is for the month of August 2019. It is a beauty box subscription. It comes once a month and it's $15 a month. The first time you subscribe, the first month is only $10. I will leave a link below to help you out. It's just a referral. I don't get anything for it. It's just for your convenience. If you don't want to, that is fine. You can always Google Allure. There's two places you can get it. You can get it through their site or Amazon. I get it through their site. All right, let's open this, okay? All right, I am excited to see what's in here. Let's see, give you a peek. Ta-da! Oh, I see a chartreuse bag. I love that color. It's one of my favorite colors. I know, that's different, isn't it? But I do like chartreuse. I like it paired with purple. The other day I bought a pair of chartreuse capris. And of course, capris really is a pair of pants for me because I am so short. I have very short legs. I'm only 5'1", but my legs are really short. Also, I bought purple tops, I think I bought 3 of them to wear with it. So, and I did wear it the other day, and my sister said, "You look like you're dressed up for Halloween." I says, "What do you mean? These are pretty colors." But, oh well, I wore it. I thought I looked nice, and I felt nice. I felt pretty. They always give you a little booklet, and you go through here, and it will tell you about the products and what their value is at full size. I want to remind everyone to subscribe if you haven't already. Right down here, there is the button. Also, smash that bell for future notifications. And comment. I would love to hear from you. Also, share this video. Alright, let's get in this box. Here is the bag. It's clear. Very nice little pouch. They come in handy for a lot of little things. I store some of my loose crafty things in here. I don't use it for a makeup bag because I get Ipsy Glam bag and so I use those. But you could. Definitely could. Okay, I'm going to pull the first product out. It is the makeup eraser. I am really excited about getting this. I've never had this before. I've been tempted to buy it. I've seen it, but it's a little costly. It's a microfiber cloth. I do know that. Okay, let's pull it out before I go on any further. And it has a little brochure here, or card. Alright. First off, it says the wash. How to use. Wash in the machine with hot water with your towels. No fabric softener. Oh, it is. Oh, I take that back. Fabric softener, dryer sheet, and dryer safe. Oh, that's good. Because I have some other microfiber cloths for makeup removal. And you can't use fabric softener. Okay, and then after you wash it, you then wet it with warm water. And you just swipe it on your face and takes the makeup off. It erases it. And also, to exfoliate, it says flip into the long fiber side. Oh, it has 2 different sides. Oh yeah, here's a short side here. You probably can't see because it's black, but here's the long side. I didn't know that either. I just wondered why such a little piece costs so much. This little piece, retail value is at $12. The full size, I think, is $25. This is really cute. I'm glad I got this. Okay, we're gonna put that aside and see what else we have in my little chartreuse bag. Pulling out a little box. Looks like a jar of water cream. It is by Primavera. Here is the little jar. Let's see here, get you so you can see. I like these little jars. I pop them in my bathroom and they're right there, and I reach over there and I use them up. Here's just a white cream. It smells fresh. Love that smell. For like smells like a fresh spring day. I can't talk. You can't see anything, but it feels nice. I love the smell. My hands are so dry. My hands are going to appreciate this today. Just been cleaning too much. I always got my hands in water every time I turn around. Alright, set that aside and we'll get something else out of here. Next I'm pulling out is something from Cargo. I believe it's a lipstick. Let's see here. Okay, pull it apart. Oh, yep, it's a silver bullet. It's nice and hefty. Substance, not heavy, but you know, it's got some substance to it. It's not plastic. Well, yeah, it is. It don't feel like it. Okay, oh, it's pretty. It looks like a deep, dark plum, purplish plum. Go ahead and swatch it for you. Let's see, let's put it right on my wrist. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love that color. I like purples on my lips. And I probably wore this more in the fall, but it's coming up. Today we've had a cool day, which I'm not complaining. It rained last night, but it reminds me of a fresh fall day. And it's only August, middle of August. But you know, I live mid-Michigan, so we do get a short summer. Oh well, it could be worse. Alright, let's see what else we have. We have a mascara by Benefit, and the mascara is called They're Real. I've had this many times before and really like it. I actually bought a big tube the first time I ever used it. This is before I did the beauty subscriptions, and I really, really liked it. But this is just a sample size, a deluxe sample size. I am not going to open it because I have many opened already. I'm trying to use them up. But I don't know if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to give it away. We'll see. I have a bunch of stuff kind of saved back for a giveaway or to give to friends and family. I can't use all of these things, but I do enjoy getting them. I try. Oh, next thing is by Lazarzi. I'm probably butchering that. And this is topaz right there. So that must be the color of it. Let's see what this is. What does it say? What does it say? This is multi-purpose liquid illuminator. It's illuminator. Okay, get it out the box here. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like a gold. Let's see. I'm gonna put it next to my lipstick swatch. Put it right here. Okay, it's it's rather sheer. So you could probably use it anywhere. I probably use it on my eyes. I got enough highlighter. I don't use a whole lot of highlight. It just accentuates my lines on my face. Oh, I hate getting old. I mean, I hate getting old. Better than alternative. But I don't like the way my skin is changing. Oh well. It is what it is. And next, oh, see, I got two different things here. Let's pull this out. It's sitting here yelling at me. It's multitask eye serum mask. I'm not going to open this up because it's sealed tight. And I believe they're just those patches. Yeah, it shows it right there for underneath your eyes. Yeah, mask multitask. Okay, one more thing in here. One more. And this is by Nurana or Norea. I don't know why these companies have to use such difficult names. There must be a reason. Okay, what is this? Triple Action Eye Cream. Oh, it's an eye cream. Oh, it's a tube. It's like a peach and a blue here. Pretty. I like pretty packaging. Do you? Let's see. It's open. Oh, look at the applicator. That is unique. It's flat. Definitely going to try this out. I like eye cream. I use it every night and every morning. Alright, what I'm going to do is swing over to the pamphlet and tell you a little more about these products. Okay. The Benefit Mascara. The name is no joke. These are my old glasses. Hard time, I can't see out of them like my new ones. But my new ones kind of cover up all my eye makeup because they're blue blockers. And they're tinted. The name of this is no joke. This is Ultimate. She is wearing Is she wearing falsies? This is because it gives lashes a ton of length. As in, takes them way out to my brow bones and makes them super. They do a good job of really lengthening your eyelashes. This is retail for $25 for a full size. So it's 25 bucks. What else here? We got multitask eye serum mask, and in addition to making me feel almost okay, I'm not gonna read this. It's way too hard. I'm just gonna tell you what it's worth. It's worth $35. Wow. I don't know if it's just for one pair or more. $35. Boy, skincare is getting crazy. And then we got the little jar of hydrate cream. And that full size is $40. Next is Prima water cream. This is a Korean product. It comes from a plant and seeds. And the retail price is $40 for a full size. Let's see what it says, the full size of ounces. Oh, here it says that's also a perfect primer. Okay. It's luckily finally available in the USA. Okay, next I'm going to buy the book. It's this little pretty eye cream, and that is valued at $40. And this eye cream has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard. That's why they have it like that. I don't press that hard. I use my ring finger and just tap it in. Next they have in the brochure is the cargo. Sorry, I just flipped that real quick, didn't I? And it costs $22 for that lipstick. I've never been to Sedona, but Cargo's lipstick of the same name shown here is making me want to book a ticket to Arizona. I almost went to Sedona this summer, but I got ill and decided not to. Plus, my sister and my granddaughter bailed out on me last minute, so I couldn't go. I didn't want to go alone. That's a long trip. But here is Sedona. It looks like it's a red. I'm glad I didn't get that color. I don't care for a red lipstick, but I do like that plum a lot. Oh, the next item here is worth $22, and that is a Lazari, and that is in Topaz. And it says here, this glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow. Oh, it's an eyeshadow. Has a glossy wet finish, very buildable. I like brushing my bronzer over my lids, then tapping this on the center for a reflective metallic glow. Yeah. The makeup eraser. I got this soft swatch of cloth as a stocking stuffer last year, and I've been obsessed ever since. It is so trippy. You just wet the fabric and it takes off an entire face of makeup with a few passes over your skin. It even gets rid of waterproof mascara. And that is $12 for this little size. So that is my Allure box. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. I really like this box a lot. So if you do decide to sign up, I don't think you'll regret it. It's very inexpensive, and it's a nice way to try different products. And that is full size. This is full size. The what else here? Well, technically half size. You don't really need much more than that, but we got 2 full-size items in that, and a cute little chartreuse bag. Again, I just want to remind you to subscribe, smash that bell for notifications, comment, and share this video. Oh yeah, like this video. Alright, that is all I have to say today, and I hope everyone has a beautiful one. Bye.